Rocking horse here for our grandchildren. The instructions could have been a little better. I left this one down so you can see how the spring attaches. It really doesn't tell you. It does not go into the metal. It just goes into the plastic plugs at the end. Make sure you get this screw here so the horse doesn't slide left to right. There's 4 of them. There's one on each corner. We did not get the legs that were shown in the picture. We got these metal brackets. Now the one side is good, the stirrups, but the other side you can see there's a gap in it and it's sharp, and that could cause a scratch or something on their leg or on their foot. Other than that, the base is very sturdy.
Xavier. Xavier. Xavier.
Look at it, look like a peanut.
Stop. Breathe. I'm not angry.
You're not?
Not you.
It's okay.
Nothing's ever gonna change for you. Just give it a chance.
Just don't.
Evil would be good, right?
Go, Ian, go!
Well, look, I was going to say this, so I was going to say Rich's evil cousin that never got the heart that Rich ended up with.
Go, Ian, go!
I actually have a cousin who is the black sheep of his family. But the reason he's the black sheep of his family,
Yeah, you're doing so good.
everyone else in that side of the family is just
Get it, get it.